morning, Rutgers. Thanks for joining us on this gloomy Tuesday, December 9th. Now, we do have a nor'easter in our vicinity, which is giving us all of that rain that we are seeing for today. Quick look at some temperatures first, though. We did have a morning low of 25 degrees, so it's definitely a little bit on the chilly side, the normal low of 29. Average high of 46 will be a little around that for today. Your sunrise today was at 7:09, and our sunset tonight will be at 4:29. However, with those clouds, it's definitely going to feel pretty dark outside. Now, there are some watches, warnings, advisories all throughout the entire area. There are flood advisories with the heavy downpours that we might be seeing for today. Coastal flood warning as that high tide is coming up. It could flood some of the regions down by the shore. And then there is a wind advisory throughout the whole New Jersey region. Mostly winds around 20 to 30 miles per hour. However, there could be some gusts up to 50 to 55 miles per hour. So do be very careful if it starts to get windy outside, any falling branches, things like that. Quick look into today's highs. We have temperatures around the 40s. Wildwood 48, Millville 43, Camden and Newark around 40, and New Brunswick around 41 for today. Expanding it out for the whole Northeast. See a little bit cooler temperatures up to the north, Mount Pocono around 35 degrees, Ithaca at 36, and Oneonta at 34 degrees. Now, looking into our satellite, our 3-hour loop, we can see that we have been hit in the past 3 hours with a pretty good amount of rain. Up to our north, we can see a little bit of that mixed snow and rain. And then looking into our futurecast, we can see in the morning hours when we're really going to see that heavy batch of rain in the Garden State, and then start to fizzle out as we go throughout that day. However, we will be seeing those spotty showers, heavy at times, throughout the entire day. And then throughout the rest of your week, we're looking pretty good. Chance of some snow later in the week, but nothing to really worry about. So overall tip for today, you can definitely expect heavy rain. Do bring an umbrella. High of 41 degrees with a north wind, 17 to 20 miles per hour. For tonight, we're still going to see those showers in our vicinity. Might change over to some sleet in some areas. Low of 34 with a northwest wind, 14 to 17 miles per hour. Now, as I step out for your 7-day forecast, we can see that rain and possible sleet at times continue into your Wednesday morning. However, that should die down later in the afternoon. Thursday is looking cloudy with only a high of 39. And then the rest of your week is looking good with mostly sunny skies with highs in the 40s. As always, you can check us out on channel 23.1 every 15 minutes, or check us out on our Facebook page. Follow us at Twitter at RUTVWW using our hashtag RUWeather. And as always, for more information, you can go to weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Allie Burgos, and try to stay dry today, Rutgers.